Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I'm going to talk about three most important places from where you have to unlist your phone number, your email address and the account access right now. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first place from where you have to unlist your phone number, that is Truecaller. Yes, if you are getting so many of marketing or telemarketing calls on your phones, then you have to come on to this website. The name is truecaller.com/unlist, because your phone number is listed on Truecaller, from where telemarketing companies getting your phone number. So here you have to simply come on to this website here, enter your phone number, click on this robot and then click on this unlist. Yes, the moment you do that, after 24 hours your phone will be unlisted from Truecaller, and trust me, your phone number will be out from most of the telemarketing company. So you should try this one. Now let's talk about the second place, and the second place is for email. So this is my email, and you can see this one. My email is also full of unwanted emails which is of no use, and trust me, you also must be getting so many of unwanted email every day in your email account, which you always delete one by one. But here there is a solution. You can stop coming these email in your email address just by doing one trick. Here what you need to do, simply you have to select the company from where you don't want the email. Now let's suppose if I don't want the email from this credit team, I don't know what company is this, so I don't want the email in my inbox. So I click on this one, and on the bottom I will be getting an option to unsubscribe. Please click here. I click on this one here again, and here I will be getting an option to unsubscribe. I can enter the reason, or I can leave it blank as well, and then click on this unsubscribe. The moment I click on this unsubscribe, my email address will be out of their list, and I will not be getting any promotional or any marketing email from that particular company. So in every promotional email, on the bottom you will be getting an option to unsubscribe from that particular company whose email you don't want in your email address. So you can try this one as well to block all unwanted email in your email address. So try this one. Now the last thing which you have to remove, the access. Yes, and for that simply just go to the Google Chrome, click on this your photo, and here you have to click on this manage your account, and here you will be getting some options. On the top you will be clicking on security, and then you can scroll it down on the bottom, and here you will be getting third party app with account access. Click on this manage third party access, and here you will be getting the company's name who are still getting the access of your email address and your phone as well. You can see this one. These are the application who already have the access of my phone and my data, but these applications are not installed in my phone right now because I use them and I uninstall them. In the same way, you also use so many of application, you sign up with them and uninstall those application, but the access still there with those applications. So you can simply just come here on the security part, click them, and then click on this remove access, and your access will be removed from these website, and you will be safe and secure. So these are the three things which you have to check right now in your phone. Try these things. I hope you like this one. Any question related to this, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.